Hey everyone, this is Robert
And Stephanie
with Sugar Glam Creations. In today's tutorial, we will be showing you how to make a topiary floral arrangement cake using a cake frame kit that we purchased online. It really made this whole process so much easier because it provides you with everything you need to create structured, gravity-defying, and 3D cakes. So let's get started. We went ahead and used the top 4-inch platform as a template to cut the 3 6-inch layer cakes to give it a tapered profile. Level the bottom of the half sphere slightly so it sits level on the cake board, and make sure to cut a center hole in the cake board for the center support. I went ahead and used the plastic cake scraper that we cut in pieces to make smaller, which really helped as you don't have too much room to play with. Next, add extra frosting to help build up the rim portion of the pot and continue to smooth out the frosting. Use some shortening or edible glue to adhere the fondant to the support. Add texture with modeling tools and use a set of scissors to make slight cuts in the fondant to give it a thorn look. I then added some dimension to the stem and pot using some brown airbrush color.
Now it's time to add our buttercream flowers. I pipe these using a stiff consistency American buttercream directly on parchment paper using a nail. I place them in the freezer for about 30 minutes to make them easier to handle. In addition to these flowers, I'm also piping hydrangeas, leaves, and rosettes directly onto the cake. Continue to add your flowers and pipe your fillers to give it a fuller look. Unfortunately, I forgot to adjust my camera, so from here you'll only see the top part. I'm basically just crumbling up chocolate cake and applying it to the top of the pot to look like soil. And this is the final product. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to like and subscribe to our channel and comment below with any questions you may have. Thanks for watching!